everybody? Andrew Killer 203 here. That's gonna be my new name. I'm gonna have to change it later on as my name. But today I went down to a fireworks stand next to my local Vons and I picked up $106 worth of fireworks. So you see I have a bag and of course I have a box. So let's get started with the bag first. So what we got in the bag, first item we have is TNT Blast. Pretty cool. I've always gotten those every 4th of July. Second thing, we have some smoke balls. Every year I got some of these too. The last item is the Triple Treat. This goes for around $13, $12. It comes with Ground Boom Flowers, Piccolo Pete's, and Morning Glories. So that's pretty good. So now let's get in this assortment. So let's open it up. Woo! So we got a whole bunch of stuff in here. Whole bunch of stuff. So first thing we got is some punks. Second thing is Hot Shot. Third thing is Global Lights. Third thing, Blazing Rebel. And this is just like one you probably get in every assortment, Starfire. I've seen that one around a couple times. Next one is Sparkling Glory. This is a pretty light, small sort of thingy fountain. Second thing we got is Jade Flowers. Now, we literally get this in a lot of assortments, even in bags, Power Pack bag, Big Valley bag. And we got some flashing fountain here, 8 of those. Next thing we got is Golden Shower. Third thing we got, Rose Blossom, pretty cool firework. Next thing we got is an exclusive big one. It's not that heavy though. Combustion Chamber. It's a pretty cool firework. Next one we got is Golden Shower Fountain. Another Golden Shower Fountain, but it's actually a different design. Whoa. As you guys could see, they're actually different designs. So, next one we got, I never seen this one. Glittering Fountain. Third thing, 5-pack of flashing fountains. Next thing, Lightning Flash, 6-pack. Everyone gets to have some Lightning Flash. Another 6-pack of Lightning Flash. Another pack of 5 flashing fountain. Next we have 2 other packs of a different design of 5-piece flashing fountain. Hold up. There we go. 5-pack, 2 of them. And the last thing we have is Rain Dance. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully all of you guys have a great 4th of July. Oh, looks like you get a little coupon. Thank you, $10 off of any purchase. Oh, we already went through that though. So thank you guys for watching. Andrew signing out.